What's up? This is Chris on the longest way. Trying as always, blah blah blah. Today is May the 9th, 2022. It's a Monday, and last night was okay. Just a little bit short. I don't know. I woke up at like 5, and then I kind of went back to sleep for an hour or something, but I don't know why I wake up so early. Is it that I'm getting old? Who knows? Maybe it was just too warm, because the sun comes out really early now, and I was using my winter sleeping bag. So anyway, the road is okay. It's not going up too much, it's not going down too much. There's a lot of construction though everywhere, so there's a lot of dust, but next to the road it looks really nice. Man, it's so much different walking through spring than walking through winter. Winter has its own beauty, but spring, man, spring. The living's easy. I found the right way to the church. This was actually the place where I wanted to sleep last night. I found it on the map, but then I opted against it because there were so many houses around, and I figured people would find it weird if I just kind of go back past their houses in the village and go into the churchyard to sleep there. So there's some memorial for the war dead. This is before World War II, and this is 12 to 18. So it comprises World War I, but it's more. Alright, let's see. Ooh, look at this. That's nice. Oh man, this would have been such a good place to sleep. Wow. Man, I could have been here. Okay. Well, the villagers still might have found it weird. I kind of come past here and sleep in their churchyard. But anyway, man, this is nice. Hey, church. There's this thing that I gotta show you. It's awesome. So, you go up here, climb these little stairs, and this is the tower. And then you go into the tower and you notice all the graffiti, because everyone's super romantic. Is it Dane? Is it Rika? I don't know. But then you notice these, and then you think, huh, where might they lead? And yeah, most definitely they lead up there. And so is that the coolest thing? I rang the church bells. God damn it, I want to ring them all day. I want to be that. Well, I don't want to have a hunchback, but this is so awesome. I rang the bells. Yeah. What's the time? Yeah, it's 11:07, so we're like a few minutes late for the full hour. But anyway, that was some ringing. Man, I never thought I'd do this. I would get to do this.
Zdrava.
So, an old man came out of a building and told me not to ring the bell. I feel like a rascal. It's awesome. I rang the bell. On a kind of sad note, the village is really pretty. This one, there's all these like old houses and stuff. But this lady that I talked to, she told me like most of them, or many of them, not most of them, but many of them are empty. The people moved to the city, and then only the old folks are left. And once the old folks die, then the house just kind of slowly rots away. It's really sad. Who's gonna hear the bell that I ring? Like that house, you can see. This one looks like there's something going on, like they're, I don't know, fixing it or something. But that one, like it's just a ruin. That one looks like nobody's staying there because like all the curtains are drawn, or maybe they're just drawn for the sun, I don't know. But this one definitely a ruin. So that's super sad. But what can you do? It's the way of the world. People move to the city, and then once the city is super saturated, and people move to the suburbs, and then they create these ugly suburbs. Ooh. Oh man, that fire. There's plastic in there. Oh. Zdrava. Look at this traditional house. So pretty. Well, maybe it was more conceived as a shed, but I don't know. Anyway, gotta go. Gotta do some walking. Can't ring any more bells. Oh man. This is when it starts sucking. Is this the punishment for ringing the church bells? Maybe. Shouldn't have rung the church bells.